Does your car sound like this? Well, let me show you how I suggest to fix that. Clay bar is the key to this situation. So what I prefer is I always like to go least aggressive approach at first. Kind of all depends on what you prefer and maybe how thick it is, but the heavier the clay bar, obviously the more polishing you're gonna have to do afterwards, or at least I always suggest polishing after you clay bar, because clay bar is a light form of wet sanding and you are going to put micro scratches in the paint. So we have a white or a fine clay bar. We have a purple, which is a medium to heavy clay bar. You have your clay bar buffing pads, which you can put on your polisher. And then this is a new clay bar towel that I have, which I have used this before. This is nice because you can do it in your washing process, in your decontamination wash. Okay, so let's take care of this situation. Now, what I have here is just water and IGL wash in a different bottle, but you need some sort of clay bar lube. Something that's kind of like soapy or slick. You can use this, or they actually sell clay bar lube. You could use a quick detailer if you want to as well. Now, you want to go light, and you can actually feel, and sometimes I will go right after with my other hand to just feel it turn slick. And you will actually also feel that you're breaking through that layer of contamination. Now, after you get done, if you have a really good headlamp or just really good lighting, you probably will be able to see some micro scratching in there. Like I said, that's why I like to do a polish afterwards. And then that will be followed by isopropyl alcohol wipe and then protection. And I think that's it.